Today we'll be going over how to take photos with the IDVisor Smart V2 scanner. To start, let's scan the ID. Here we can see that no photos have been taken as there are none displayed in this menu, so we can add new ones. You can activate the camera by clicking on the camera icon. Now we can take a photo of the entire ID by tapping on the picture button on the bottom of the screen. You can retake the photo by clicking on the X button, or save it with the check, which saves the image to the scanner. Next, we can take a close-up picture of the ID photo, or in real time take a photo of the person's face. These two images will be saved together, so you can view them again to look at the information displayed on the ID. Another key feature is the ability to view recent photos. We can organize these in a grid or list view. When you tap on the photo, you have access to all of the information from the record, including the two photos that we just took. This is a great way to review the night's customers, especially if you want to identify individuals who may have been problematic. The scanner also has a feature called Free Pics. This works for any IDs that may not scan. If you tap the Free Pics button on the home screen, it automatically launches the camera. Now you can take a photo of the ID and still have a record of the person. Additionally, you can access the Free Pics feature from the main ID Scanner tab. This way, if you're scanning IDs and one person in a group has a passport, you can use the Free Pics feature to easily take a photo of their ID to scan them. And that's how to use the photo feature on the IDVisor V2. For more information, visit IDScanner.com.